What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and today I want to talk about QR codes.
Why do I want to talk about QR codes?
Because they are awesome. They have so many uses. Today, I'm going to tell you about one of the uses that I use them for. If you're not aware, QR code is a code that looks like this, and you can program a website into it so that when people show that little thing to their phone, that the website that you program into it will pop up. So specifically, I was doing the Christmas room today, and I brought in my barrel bar to be the front bar counter. I'm not making any profit of the rental sitting in there, so how am I supposed to make profit off it? Well, people are gonna see it and they're gonna like it. If there's a little sticker on it that says, hey, these barrels can be rented, then there's a possibility of it being rented. So this little sticker is gonna go on the barrel light pole on the bar, and people are going to scan it, and it will take them directly to the website where they can rent it. Then they learn the process a little bit more. It's just one step further into getting people onto my website very quickly. QR codes, they're cute, they're awesome, and you should do them. Another application you can do is you could take these QR codes and you could program them to an instruction manual for a rental that you have, or specific instructions like care instructions. Instead of printing it out on a piece of paper and it potentially getting lost in with your rental, you can put it online, put it to a website, and then make a QR code for it, put it on a sticker like this, and then stick it on the front of the box that your rental comes in, and they scan it, and then they can get instructions for it so that they know. Everyone should be able to scan a QR code because everyone's got a cell phone. So all you need is a cell phone to read this code, and then the website will instantly pop up. So if you can, try to utilize one of these. Just go to your app store and look up QR code generator and generate QR codes for the websites that you want people to see. How did I make this sticker? Very simple. I went and got a QR code generator. I made a QR code for the website, so I just put in the website name, generated the QR code, saved the image, and then I went to Google and I looked up PNG cell phone image, and then I grabbed an image, a see-through image, a transparent cell phone, and I put that into Vintage Logo Design with the text and the QR code, and I printed it out onto sticker paper. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, make sure and sub to the channel. I will have all sorts of little tidbits of information as they come, as I'm making them happen throughout this Christmas room in December. So, as always,
You stay classy.